welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add CopeCart payment details in Google Sheet. So here I am a seller on a CopeCart, and in this case I want whenever a new order is received, automatically the details of that order should be added in a Google Sheet as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect our trigger and our action. So in this process, our trigger application will be CopeCart and our action application will be Google Sheet. To learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add our CopeCart order details in Google Sheets automatically. So in this case, I want whenever a new order is placed in my CopeCart, automatically the details of that order should be added in my Google Sheet. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I am an existing user, so I am clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect our applications, we will select Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. So now to create a new workflow, I will click on this create workflow. In this create workflow dialog box, you have to give a name to your workflow. So here I am giving the name as add CopeCart order details in Google Sheet. And now I will select my folder as Google Sheet. You can select your folder as per your needs. Now to create a new workflow, I will click on this create. So in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of your automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now to begin with our automation, let's set up our trigger. So here I will select my trigger application as CopeCart. And my trigger event is instant payment notification. So now as you can see, we have received the webhook URL. That means this webhook URL will be used to build a connection between our CopeCart account and Pabbly Connect. So as per the instructions given below, here I have logged in my CopeCart account. And from here I will select settings and IPN connection. So here I will edit an existing connection. So now you can see we already have an existing URL here. But to build a new connection, we will replace this URL with the new URL. So from Pabbly, we will copy this webhook URL and then we will paste it here. Here you have to give a name to your connection and you have to enter your password. Now to save this connection, I will click on this save. So we have successfully built our integration. Now moving back to Pabbly, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to do a test order. So for that, let me take you to the checkout page of CopeCart. So this is the product which I have selected, and here I have filled all the dummy data. Now moving forward, in this step 2, I will select test as the payment option because we are doing a test order. Now moving forward, here you can see the order review, and now I will click on this chargeable order now. So with this, we have successfully placed an order. Now moving back to Pabbly, and here you can see we have received a response with so many details such as transaction date, currency, product type, product name, order time, ID, date, and buyer's details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now moving to our action step, here I will choose my action application as Google Sheet. And my action event is add new row because I want whenever a new order is received in my CopeCart, automatically the details of that order should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. Now to connect my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, here I will choose connect. Again here I will select add new connection. If your Google Sheet account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, you can click on select existing connection. Now here I will click on sign in with Google. Here I will choose my account. And now I will give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now moving forward, it is asking me to select spreadsheet. So here I have already created a spreadsheet with name CopeCart order details where I have added basic fields. You can add fields as per your choice. So here I have added name, email, product order and city. So now moving back to Pabbly, here I will select my spreadsheet as CopeCart order details. And I will select my sheet as sheet 1. And now moving forward, here it is asking me for name, email, product order and cities. These are the fields which I have selected in my Google Sheet. And now here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my CopeCart. So for the name, here I will select buyer's name. Now moving to email, here I will search for email. And now moving to product ordered, here I will select the product name. And then city, here I will search for city. So here I have successfully mapped all my data, and now I'm going to click on save and send test requests so that we can see whether the details have been added in our Google Sheet or not. So we have received a successful response. So now let's check our Google Sheet. So here you can see we have received successful response with the name demo, email demoUser@pabblytunes.com, product order is comfort chair and city is Bhopal. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So in this we have taken a trigger application as CopeCart and action application as Google Sheet. So that whenever a new order is received in my CopeCart, automatically the details of that order should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find a clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can contact us on our website, that is www.pabbly.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.